sin x divided by sin x divided by sin of x by 8. Sin x divided by sin of x by 8. The options are, write down the options, 8 cos x by 8, cos x by 4, cos x by 2. 8 sin x by 8, sin x by 4, sin x by 2. Cos x by 8, cos x by 4, cos of x by 2. Sin x by 8, sin x by 4 into sin x by 2. So these are the options, right? Now what I am doing, I am converting the numerator. I am converting the numerator into submultiples. You may ask me how. You know that sin x is equal to 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Right? Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Therefore, sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Therefore, sin x by 2. What is sin x by 2? 2 sin x by 4 cos x by 4. For example, sin x by 4 is equal to 2 sin x by 8 cos x by 8. Right? Now, suppose I am writing the value of sin x as 2 sin x by 2 cos x by sin x by 8 as it is. Right? So, is equal to 2 as it is, cos x by 2 as it is. Now, sin x by 2 is again can be converted as 2 sin x by 4 cos x by 4 divided by sin of x by 8 will remain as it is. Okay. So, is equal to 2 into 2, 4 cos x by 2 sin x by 2. Here, the question is sin x divided by sin x by 8. So, 2 to the 4 cos x by 2 sin x by 2 into sin x by 4 can be written as 2 sin x by 8 cos x by 8 whole divided by sin of x by 8 will remain as it is. Now you see that sin x by 8, sin x by 8 cancel from the numerator. So what is remain 4? 4 to the 8. This is cos x by 2 into this is cos x by 4. Cos, this is cos x by 4. Then 2 as it is. Sin x by 4 can be written as 2 sin x by 8 cos x by 8. So sin x by 8, sin x by 8 cancel. 4 to the 8. Now this can be written as cos x by 8 cos x by 4 cos x by 2, which is my first option. Tan x is equal to if tan x is equal to b by a, then b by a, then root of a plus b by a minus b, root of a plus b by a minus b plus a minus b by a plus b, a minus b by a plus b is equal to, the options are, write down the options. The options are, first option is 2 sin x by root sin 2x, 2 sin x by 2 sin x by root of sin 2x, 2 cos x by root of 2 cos x by root of cos 2x. Third option is 2 cos x by 2 cos x by root of sin 2x, 2 cos x by root of sin 2x. Fourth one is none. So here, what is the given question? Tan x is given as b by a. So I have to calculate this value, root of a plus b by a minus b. So what I am doing, given expression is a plus b divided by a minus b plus of a minus b by a plus b. Here, what I am doing, I am dividing the numerator and denominator by a for both the terms. Then this will come in the form of 1 plus b by a by 1 minus b by a plus 1 minus b by a by 1 plus b by a, right? So 1 plus b by a, 1 minus b by a, 1 minus b by a is equal to, what is 1 plus b by a? Tan x. So 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x plus 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x. If I take the LCM of this, the LCM is root of 1 minus tan x into root of 1 plus tan x, isn't it? 1 minus tan x, 1 minus tan x cancel, which leaves me 1 plus tan x. 1 plus tan x into root of 1 plus tan x, root 2 into root 2 cancel. So that is 2, which gives me 1 plus tan x. Plus 1 plus tan x, 1 plus tan x cancel. So leaving me 1 minus tan x. That is 1 minus tan x. Tan x cancel. That is 2 by, what is this? It is the form of a minus b into a plus b. That is a square minus b square. That is root of 1 minus tan square x. Right? So this can be written as 2 divided by 1 minus sin square x divided by cos square x. Isn't it? So if I take the LCM in the denominator, it is root of cos square x minus sin square x by cos square x. This cos square x will go to the numerator and it become only 2 cos x. Now it is in the form of root of cos square x minus sin square x. So which gives me 2 cos x by, this is nothing but root of cos 2x. This is the formula for cos 2x. Therefore, my answer is 2 cos x by root of cos 2x. Now next is sin 12, sin 24, sin 48, sin 84. All these degrees, sin 24, sin 48, sin 84. All these degrees, if I have not written, it is understood, right? So sin 12, sin 24, sin 48, sin 84 is equal to, the options are cos 20, cos 40, cos 60, cos 80. This is first option. Second option is sin 20, sin 40, sin 60, and sin 80. And third option is 3 by 15. 3 by 15. And fourth option is none. So, by seeing the question itself, What is the problem? Sin 12, sin 24, sin 48, sin 84. You must get the shortcut formula in your mind. So, just now in the beginning of the class, I have given two formulas. What is the one form? What is the first formula? That is sin theta, sin 60 minus theta into sin 60 plus theta is equal to, just now I have given this formula, sin theta, sin 60 minus theta into sin 60 plus theta is equal to 1 by 4 sin 3 theta. So, my purpose is I want to convert this in term of this standard formula. So, what I am doing here, sin 12 as it is, right? Now, 60 minus 12 is nothing but 48. So, sin 48. So, if I compare with this formula, sin theta is sin 12, 60 minus 12 is 48. So, it means that I want one more value, that is 60 plus 12. 60 plus 12 will give me 72. So, I have to multiply and divide by sin 72, right? So, into, again, more two terms are available. What are the other two terms? One is sin 24 degree, another is sin 84 degree. So, here also, I want to convert this in the same formula, that is sin 24, sin, this is nothing but 60 plus theta, that is sin 84, okay. Now, here I want 60 plus 24 is 84. I want one more term, that is 60 minus 24. 60 minus 24, that is 10 minus 4 is 6, 5 minus 2 is 30. That is sin of 36. So, I have to multiply and divide by sin 36 to the second term, isn't it? Is equal to. Now, if you see this with the standard form, it comes in the form of 1 by 4 sin 3 theta. Therefore, for the first part, I am writing 1 by 4 sin 3 theta. What is theta here? 12. That is 12 3 the 36 into. If you compare this, sin theta, sin 60 minus theta, sin 60 plus theta is nothing but sin 1 by 4 sin 3 theta. So, this is nothing but 1 by 4 sin 3 theta. What is theta here? 24. That is sin of 72 divided by sin of 36. Now, you see that sin 36, sin 36 cancel, sin 72, sin 72 cancel. So, which gives me 1 by 16. But when I compare it with the options, there is no 1 by 16. So, by seeing this directly, you may write the option as none, because 1 by 16 is not getting to you. So, but don't do this mistake. Whenever none option is given, in that case, you have to verify the options also. So, this is very important point. Remember, whenever there is a none option, blindly don't put none as your answer, but you have to verify the option. So, now I am doing the same thing, verifying the option. Now, for example, first option. What is the first option? That is cos theta, cos 40, cos 60, cos 80. By seeing this result, you may recall that I have given one more shortcut formula, that is cos theta into cos 60 minus theta into cos of 60 plus theta is equal to 1 by 4 cos theta. Just now I give this formula. So, I compare with this one, that is cos theta, cos 60 minus theta, that is 60 minus 20 is 40, so 60 plus theta, that is 60 plus 20 is 80. So, it means that it is similar to the standard form. What is the answer for that is 1 by 4 cos 3 theta. What is theta? 60, that is cos 60 into one more cos 60 is remain here. So, into cos 60. So, what is value of cos 60? 1 by 2. So, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 1 by 4, 1 by 60. It means that the first option is verifying. Therefore, my answer is first one. Tan 20 tan 40, tan 60, tan 80 is equal to, the options are 3 root 3, 3 root 3, 1 by 3, 1 by root 3. Now, here also, if you compare the given problem with the standard form, so you may note down that I have given one formula, that is tan theta, tan 60 minus theta, tan 60 plus theta. This formula I have given to you, that is tan theta, tan 60 minus theta into tan of 60 plus theta is equal to 3 tan 3 theta, right? Sorry, tan theta tan 60 minus theta is equal to only tan 3 theta. So tan theta 60 minus theta is this one, 60 plus theta is this one. Therefore, the answer is tan of 3 theta. 3 into 20 is 60, into this 60 is remaining. That is tan 60. So tan 60 is root 3 into root 3. Therefore, my option is 3. Sec 72 into sec 36. Sec 72 into sec 36 degree is equal to, options are 0, 1, 4, 3. So, this can be written as 1 by cos 72 into 1 by cos 36. We know that cos 72 is equal to cos of 90 minus 80. Cos 90 minus theta is sin 18. Sin 18 is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. Therefore, this is nothing but root 5 minus 1 by 4. 4 will be inverted and goes to the numerator into cos 36. So, what is cos 36? Is equal to root of 5 plus 1 by 4. So, this is again root 5 plus 1 by 4. So, is equal to 4 into 4, that is 60, by a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Therefore, the answer is 4. That is third option. Next question is a quadratic equation whose roots are sin square 18 and cos square 36. A quadratic equation whose roots are sin square 18 and cos square 36 is 16x square minus 12x plus 1. X square minus 12x plus 16 is equal to 0. 16x square minus 12x plus 16 is equal to 0. Fourth one is x square plus minus 6x plus 16. 16x square minus 12x plus 1 is equal to 0. By listening the word of quadratic equation, you must recall the formula how to frame a quadratic equation. We have already studied in second year in the chapter quadratic equation. If alpha and beta are the roots of a quadratic equation, if alpha and beta are the roots of a quadratic equation, then quadratic equation is h square minus sum of the root into x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. This is the formula to find a quadratic equation. Okay. Now, what he says, a quadratic equation whose roots are sin square 18 and cos square. So, one root is alpha is equal to sin square 18, beta is equal to cos square 36. So, sin square 18, sin 18 is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. Root 5 minus 1 by 4. 4 square is 16. Cos 36 is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4. 4 is equal to 16. If I expand the numerator, what happened? 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5 by 16, which is equal to 6 minus 2 root 5 by 16. Similarly, 5 plus 1, that is 6 plus 2 root 5 by 16. So these are the values of alpha and beta. Therefore, I am substituting here x square minus alpha plus beta. That is, this is alpha, this is beta. So, while adding plus 2 root 5 minus root 5, this is cancel. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 12 by 16 into x plus alpha beta. Alpha beta, if I multiply this, a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square, 36. 2 square is 4, 4 5 is 20 by 16 into 16. So, this is nothing but x square minus 12 by 16 into x plus 36 minus 12, 20 is equal to 16. So, 116 cancel from both numerator and denominator, which gives me 1 by 16. Or if I simplify, if I take the LCM, this is nothing but 16x square minus 12x plus 1 is equal to 0. So, first option is my correct answer. Next is cosecant minus root 3 secant. Answer options are 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 3. Cosecant minus root 3 secant. So, this can be written as cosec is equal to 1 by sin minus root 3. The sec can be written as 1 by cos. So, just now I told you in the beginning of my class 1 by sin 10 minus root 3 by cos 10. The answer is 4. The answer is 4. If you remember that result, directly you can write the answer. So, the answer is 4. Or how you got the 4 answer means, what I am doing, I am multiplying and divide by 2. Multiply and divide by 2. 2 will be in the numerator, is 1 by 2 sin 10 minus root 3 by 2 into cos 10. So, is equal to 2 will remain as it is. 1 by 2 is nothing but your sin 30 by sin 10. Root 3 by 2 is nothing but your cos 30 by cos 10. So, 2 will remain as it is. If I take the LCM, sin 10 cos 10 is the LCM, which gives me sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. That is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B whole divided by sin 10 into cos A. So, the numerator is in the form of sin of A minus B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, sin of A minus B, that is 30 minus 10 is equal to sin 20. So, divided by sin 10 into cos 10. Again, I am multiplying dividing by 2. Then this becomes 2 to the 4 sin 20 divided by, it is in the form of 2 sin A cos A. 2 sin A cos A, right? So, 2 sin A cos A is nothing but sin 2A, that is sin 20. So, sin 20 is going to cancel, which gives you 4. Therefore, 4 is the option. So, you have to remember the result. Next, if tan theta plus tan theta plus 5 by 3 plus tan theta plus 2 pi by 3 theta plus 2 pi by 3 is equal to 3, then which of the following is equal to 1? then which of the following is equal to 1? Tan 3 theta, tan theta, cot 3 theta, cot theta. These are the options. Tan 3 theta, tan theta. So this is again a standard formula. If you remember this result, tan theta plus tan of 60 plus theta plus tan of 120 plus theta. So is equal to 3 tan 3 theta, right? So if I compare this tan theta plus tan 60 plus theta, tan 120 plus theta. So this is equal to 3 tan 3 theta is equal to 3. 3 cancel. So tan 3 theta is equal to 1. He is asking that which of the following is equal to 1. So 1 is equal to tan 3 theta. Therefore, my option is tan 3 theta. Next, 4 cos cube 40. 4 cos cube 40 minus 3 sin 50. 4 cos cube 40 minus 3 sin 50. Options are 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2. Related to any standard form, as we have some formula that is sin 3 theta, cos 3 theta. So whether it is related to any standard form, yes, it is very near to that, but not exactly. That is, what is our standard form? That is cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. This is my cos theta formula. But here 4 cos cube theta is minus 3 cos theta. Instead of sin theta, I want cos theta. So what I am doing, this is equal to 4 cos cube 40, 4 cos cube 40 minus 3 sin of 50 can be written as 50 can be written as 90 minus 40 is equal to 4 cos cube 40 minus 3 sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. That is, so it is the form of 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a, nothing but cos 3a. What is a? 40. So cos 120. Therefore the answer is minus half.